Morning to all of you children. In today's session, we'll do a revision on pronouns and also on the topic conjunctions. Okay, so worksheet 9, 10, and 11. We'll do just a revision on the topic on these two topics, and then we'll quickly move on to a revision test. Okay, children. So first we'll do pronouns first. Okay. Let me ask you. Okay, Aiden Dias, come on, tell me, what is a pronoun? Aiden?
Yes.
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 Pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun?
That
A pronoun?
is that we use.
I don't want the correct definition which is given in your workbook or in your notebook. Just what you have understood, please do tell me in simple words. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word.
That we use.
We use. Why do we use a pronoun for? We use pronoun to replace a noun.
Noun.
Okay. So pronoun, it is already there, children. All see a pronoun. So word used in place of a noun or to replace a noun. Is that clear? Instead of using Aiden, Dias always. So we make use of the pronoun. Which is the pronoun we use for a boy? We use the pronoun he. Yes, that's right. So pronoun is a word used in place of a noun or used to replace a noun. Is that clear to all of you? Then we learned about the two pronouns, that is the personal pronouns and also about the possessive pronouns. Okay. So let me ask you the 7 main pronouns. Who can give me the answer? Nora, come on, tell me the 7 main pronouns we have learnt.
I,
Yeah. I,
you,
you, we, they,
he,
he.
it.
Very good, Nora. Very good. Okay. It
Thank
is
you,
I.
ma'am.
Yes. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. These are the 7 main pronouns. Okay. So these pronouns, these 7 main pronouns are also called as subject pronouns.
Pronoun.
Do you remember what we have learned about the subject pronouns and the object pronouns? Okay. So when we learned about the personal pronouns, we learned about the subject pronouns and also about the object pronouns. These 7 pronouns, that is I, we, you, they, he, she, it, are the 7 main pronouns. They're also called as subject pronouns because the pronouns that come in place of the subject of the sentence. Okay, these pronouns come in place of a subject of a sentence. Okay, we know what is a subject is. Subject is the doer of the action, who does the action. So these pronouns come in place of a subject of a sentence. Okay, so these pronouns are called as subject pronouns. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, then there are the same object pronouns are there. Who can give me the object pronouns here? Agnes, come on, tell me. Which are the 7 object pronouns? Could you remember? I've given the chart for, I'll help you. For I, which is the object pronoun for I? Yes,
Me.
come on, tell me. Yes, very good. Then,
You,
you. Yes, very good.
him,
Him, very good.
her,
Her, yes, then.
them,
Very good.
it,
Very good. So these are the, so for I, it is me. For he, it is him. For she, it is her. For we, it is us. Okay, children. For we, it is us. Okay. For we, it is us. For they, it is them. And for it is the same it. So these are the 7 object pronouns. We'll say it once more. It is for I, the object pronoun is me. For you, it is the same you. For it is the same it. For he, the object pronoun is him. For she, the object pronoun is her. For they, the object pronoun is them. And for we, the object pronoun is us. So these are the 7 object pronouns. These are replaced by the object in a sentence, and these object pronouns come in place of the object of a sentence. Is that clear? Come in place of the object of the sentence. Clear?
Okay.
Clear to all?
Yes.
Then we learnt about the other pronoun. What is the name of the second pronoun we learnt? Heaven, can you remember what we have learnt? Children, it is clearly given in your notebook. Please go through your notebook, okay, while you learn the pronouns. All the other workbook exercises will do. Only for the chapter pronouns, please go through your workbook also. Okay, come on. What is a possessive pronoun, Heaven?
Ma'am?
Yes, possessive pronoun. What do you mean by possessive pronoun? What is a possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun, what does it tell us? Who can give me the answer? Possessive pronoun, what does it tell us? Okay, Pranav, come on, tell me, Pranav, Vishnu. Pranav? Yes, Pranav, unmute it and give me the answer. Yes, come on. Pranav?
Mine, yours, theirs,
Yes.
us,
Us. His.
his,
Her.
hers.
Hers, it's all these are possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun tell us who owns things. Okay. If it is your father's car, what do we say? It is his car. So the car is owned by your father. Okay, the bag belongs to your mother. So what do we say? It is her bag. Is that clear? The ball belongs to me. So it is mine. Is that clear? So these are the possessive pronouns. These possessive pronouns mean who owns things. Is that clear to all of you? I hope it's clear. Okay. So let's move on to the topic. Okay. Yes. So we are in worksheet 10 and 11, children. So we know what is a pronoun is. It is a word used to replace us. It replaces a noun. Okay, the word that replaces a noun. Then we learned about the subject pronouns. I'm not going into detailed about it. Then we learned about the object pronouns. We know, first of all, we'll move on to the table first, then we'll move on to the exercises. So we know the subject are the doer of the action and the object are the receiver of the action. C-E-I-V-E-R, who receives the action. Okay, so mother shouts at Rohan. So mother is the doer of the action. So subject has to be replaced by the subject pronouns. Since mother is a woman, we use she. Is that clear? So she shouts at Rohan is a boy. Okay, so it is an object. So Rohan receives the action. So Rohan is the object of the sentence. So it should be replaced by an object pronoun. We can't use he. It has to be replaced by him, since Rohan is the object of the sentence. So she shouts at him. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, so these are the subject pronouns. I, she, he, we, they, you, and it are the subject pronouns. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, they are the doer of the action. So since it is a doer of the action, it has to be replaced by the subject. Subject pronouns. Okay, now these are the object of these are the object. So it should be replaced by an object pronoun. Me, her, him, us, them, you, and it. Is that clear? So that's the reason I told you so we'll move on to this sentence. Okay. Okay. G. Who can do this for me? Only one sentence will be doing it. We'll do only one. Let me see who can do it now. Anna Mary, come on. Read the sentence. Do the G. I hope it is clear.
Ma'am,
Yes, read the sentence fast, quickly.
Raj
Not Raj, you
Where?
do the G. Do not forget to.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, do the G. Sentence
Do
G.
not,
Forget
do not
Mm.
forget
Mm.
to
to call
call the
neighbors. Here the neighbors are the object of the sentence. So how do we replace the object by an object pronoun? Come on, tell me. Do not
do not forget
forget to
to call
uh,
the
the neighbors. Neighbors are the object of the
neighbors.
sentence. So should be replaced by an object pronoun. Come on, tell me which are the object. For neighbors, which are the object pronoun we use? Suitable object pronoun. Huh?
They.
They, no, they is the subject pronoun. They is the subject pronoun. For they, which is the object pronoun we use? They is the
Ma'am,
subject. Them. Very good. Okay, so you learn up the table very well, children. When you learn up the table, you'll get a clear idea about it. So they is the subject pronoun. For they, the object pronoun is them. Very good, Anna. Okay, good attempt. So do not forget to call them. Is that clear to all of you? We'll do one more. Yadav, come on, Yadav. Do the next one. This one. J.
Which one?
J. Can you see the board? I've zoomed it.
Ready?
Yes, do it.
Ready?
All the work.
Radha are coming to the party.
Okay, Rathi and Radha coming to the party. So for Radhi and Radha are the subject of the sentence. So it should be replaced by a subject pronoun. So what do we use there?
They.
They, very good. Yadav, very good. They are coming. They are coming to the party. Very good. One more sentence we'll do and we'll quickly move on to the next one. Okay, Roshit, come on, Roshit. Do the next one. J. Yes. Children, please do go through the that table which I gave you in your notebook. Okay. Yes.
All the work was done by Purva and me.
Okay, here it is. Purva and me are the object of the sentence and it should be replaced by an object pronoun. So what do we write there?
Us.
Yes. All the work was done by us. Okay, very good. All the work was done by us. Very good, Roshit. Okay, so Purva and me, it is there. You are included into it. So it should be replaced by us. So us is the object pronoun. So we is the subject pronoun here. We is the subject pronoun. Okay, and the object pronoun for we, it is object pronoun, it is us. So please do learn the table well, children. So Purva and me are the object of the sentence. So it should be replaced by the object pronoun. Very good, children. Very good. Great. Okay. All of you have done well. Now we'll move on to, I hope that is very clear to all of you, the subject and the object pronoun. Now we'll move on to the second part. That is, we have already learned about the other pronoun, that is a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is nothing but it tells us who owns things. Okay, for that too, I've given you the table. So the table has to be learned. Okay, so I'll show you the table now. So this is the table. Okay, for I, we say it is mine. For you, it is yours. For he, it is his. For she, it is hers. For we, it is ours. And for they, it is theirs. And for it is its. Is that clear? For I, you, he, she, we, they, it. These are the subject pronouns. And these are the possessive pronouns. Is that clear to all of you? So I've told you, I've given the 3 table there in your book. Please do learn the subject pronoun, object pronoun, and also the possessive pronoun, that table by heart. So you know what should be replaced by which word. Okay, so I, it is mine. So the ball, this pen belongs to me. Okay, so what do I say? It is mine. Okay, so yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, its. Now let's move on to the possessive pronoun. See here, this is the table I told you to learn it well. Can you see the table, children? Can you see the table? Yes. So these are the subject pronouns. These are the subject pronouns, object pronouns, and the possessive pronouns. I, you, all of you, please have a look at it. You, he, she, they, it, we. These are the subject pronouns. See the object pronouns. For I, we say me. You, it is the same me. He, it is him. She, her. They, them. It is it. And we use say us. Okay, then we have talked about the possessive pronoun is also as different, children. But unless we understand it, if we understand this table well, there won't be any issues regarding when you do the exercises. Okay, children. So I, it is mine. You, it is yours. Okay, he, it is him here. It is hitch. It is his. Okay, she, her, hers. They, them, theirs. It, here it is its. Here we use the object pronoun as us. Here it is us. Okay, unless we understand the words, it is easier for us. Now we'll move on to the exercise part of it. All these examples we have seen in the previous session. So here is an exercise in your workbook. Let's do that now. Okay, I'm not moving on to, okay, Adnan, Wahab, come on. Do the first one for me. And then we'll move on to the.
It's my book.
Okay, it is.
Mine.
Very good. It is mine. It is mine. Okay, Rissa, come on, do the next one for me.
That is your book. It is yours.
Very good. It is yours. So all these are possessive pronouns. Okay, children. Now, Muhammad Imran Ali, come on, do the next one. Come on. We'll do a 3 or 4 and then we'll quickly move on to the conjunctions too. For 5 minutes of conjunctions, we have to do it.
Ma'am.
This is her jacket.
Third jacket.
It is.
Okay.
It is. For her, what do we say? Which is a possessive pronoun? We say it is her jacket. It is.
Her jacket.
Which is a possessive pronoun we use for her? Janita, come on. Come on, tell me the answer. Fast, quickly.
Hers.
Hers, that's all.
Hers.
Hers. Okay, children.
Symbol.
So, yes, very simple. For his,
Yes.
the same his
Hers.
we use. Okay. For our, it is ours. Here we have to, I told you, change this into
Yes.
their.
There.
This theirs.
Theirs.
It is simple as that.
Yes, symbol.
Okay, children. Now we'll move on to the conjunctions. Okay.
Conjunction. Conjunction are joining words.
Conjunctions are joining words. You
Joining
have very
words.
simple to learn.
Yes.
Only 2 words you have to learn. We have only
Sub.
learnt about and but.
Yes,
So just
and then
quickly
but.
we'll do a conjunctions.
Conjunctions.
Okay, and then we'll move on to the test page.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So for pronouns, when you learn, children, please have a look at the table. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So conjunctions are very easy, children. Conjunctions are joining words. Okay. They're also known as connecting words. They are used to join words or group of words or short sentences together. Okay. So they join words or group of words or short sentences together. Okay, so they are used, these conjunctions are joining words. They join words or group of words or short sentences together. Is that clear to all of you? So here are 2 words are there. These 2 words are joined by a conjunction and. Okay, we quickly will go through it. Here is a sentence for you. So crow has an apple, crow has an orange. So these 2 sentences has to be joined by a conjunction. How do we join it? See here, it is joined by a conjunction and. Okay, now we are going to learn about the 2 different conjunctions, that is and but. Okay, and is a conjunction which is used to show similar ideas or to add information. When the ideas are similar or when we add information, we use the conjunction and. Is that clear? Is that clear to all of you? When the ideas are similar or same. Okay, when the ideas are same or similar, or when we add information, we use conjunction and to join the sentences. Clear to all? We'll see for one example. Tom loves to play cricket. Here, Tom loves to play football. Here, we are talking about the same Tom and his love as he loves to play 2 games. So, Tom loves to play cricket and football. Okay, here we are talking about the Tom and his love for sports. Okay. Now we'll move on to the, here we are talking about the same animal here, dog. So dog is a faithful and clever animal. And to add information to, we use the conjunction at. Here it talks about Friday. As Friday is a holiday, I would like to go for shopping. So this Friday is a holiday and I would like to go for shopping. So and is a conjunction which is used to show similar ideas or to add information. Okay, now we'll move on to the conjunction but. But is used to show difference or opposite idea. Okay, so but is used to show difference or an opposite idea. When the ideas are different or opposite, we use the conjunction but. Now look at it. One simple exercise here. Thud is big. Okay, kitty is small. Here you can see the opposite here. One is big and the other one is small. So which conjunction do we use here? We use the conjunction but as it is opposite. Okay, the ideas are opposite or opposite here. We use the conjunction but. Okay, now quickly we'll move on to the exercises of 1 or 2. Then, okay. So who is going to do this now for me? Arfin, come on, Arfin. Yes, Arfin, you do the first one for me. Fill in the blanks with and or but. The tortoise.
Was
slow.
dash the
Hare
was fast.
Okay, so what do we use here?
But
Very good. Here we are talking about we have heard about the story of the hare and the tortoise. So here hare is slow and the tortoise is slow and the hare was fast. So we use the conjunction but here, since here the ideas are opposite. Okay, now we'll move on to one more. Parvana, come on, Parvana, do the next one. And quickly we'll move on to the test page. Okay.
A giraffe is tall.
Yes, a giraffe is tall.
Dash, a cat is short.
Okay, so which but? Very good. It's very easy, children. Conjunction, you have nothing more to study. Only two words. That is and but. And is used to show similar ideas. But is used to show different or opposite ideas. That's all. Okay. Now, Rex, come on. Do the next one for me. This one, fourth one. Yes, do it fast, quickly. The man was strong.
Dash.
Mm.
Dash.
Healthy.
Healthy.
So what do we write there?
He.
Huh? And or but. The man was strong, dash, healthy. Is it and or but? Read the question. Yes, yes, very good. The man was strong and healthy. We are talking about the same man. He's saying that he's not only strong, he's healthy too. So we use the conjunction and. Okay, children. So let's move on to the, I hope. So today we have revised about the pronoun and the conjunctions. Conjunctions, very easy, children. Pronoun, please do learn the table well. You have personal pronoun and also you have the possessive pronouns. Okay. So please do learn it well. Children, all of you, please do check your chat box. Did you get the link? Yes.
Amma. Locomotive.
Is there anyone who hasn't got the link? I'm talking only about the 2C. Felix? Is there anyone? Has everybody got your link in the chat box, children? Did you get it? Felix, what about you, Felix? Yes, unmuted.
Yes.
I don't get them.
Link. Okay, I'll be sending it again then. Okay, please do check your chat box, children. Felix, please do check your chat box. See that whether you're getting it. Okay. Felix, now you check whether you have got it.
Ma'am, can you read the question?
Yes, I'll do it. Did you get it, Felix? So this is how your question is. Okay. So you have to write your name, your class, you know how to do it. Please read the options before doing it, children. Fill up the correct conjunction. Ritu's room is colorful dash bright. So options are given there for you and, but, or. Click on to the right options. Sheila is tall dash and she is short. Okay. So click on to the right options. Now, the third question is fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun. These people are nice, dash are good. These people are nice, dash are good. So you should be replaced by these people. What is the pronoun you use for the these people? Okay, so they, he, she. This is my book. It is his, her, mine. The fifth question is, this is Manish. Dash is my friend. So Manish has to be replaced by a pronoun. So which suitable pronoun do we use there?
Full mark.
Yes, you got it. Now, let me see your responses.
5 out of 5.
Yes. Are you all happy? All got full marks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All have got full marks?
Ma'am, Janita got it 5 out of 5.
Okay, Janita. Very good.
Ma'am, Nora also got it 5 out of 5.
Yes. Children, I could view the marks here, children.
5 out of 5.
Okay, my dear. Children, please, I could view the
Ma'am,
marks.
Harika with full mark.
Yes,
Ma'am,
children.
Harika with full mark. Yes, ma'am. So,
Yes.
ma'am.
Dear children, I could view your marks. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
I could see all your marks here. Okay. Okay, Roshid, most of you have got 5 out of 5. No, very good. Children, those who have got wrong, please do check where you have went wrong. Okay. So can we wind up today's session? Have you all of you learned it? So the pronouns, please learn it well. It'll be useful for you for the next classes also. That is when you go to the third standard, learn the table which is given in your notebook, children. And conjunctions are very easy, only the two words and but. Okay, learn the chapter pronouns well. Okay, that is the personal pronouns and the possessive pronoun. Learn the table well. Okay, children. So we have come to the end of today's session. Let's wind up today's session, children. Bye, all of you. Have a great day. Bye,
Ma'am, have a great day, ma'am. Have a nice day also, ma'am.
Congratulations, well, all of you. Congratulations.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Have a great day.